Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. I have got something super exciting in store for all of you with different skin type. Today, we are diving into the world of DIY serums that will work wonders for your skin. Say goodbye to excess oil on face and hello to a natural, radiant glow. I can't wait to share these incredible recipes with you, so let's jump right in. Ready to tackle that excess oil? Grab a bowl and add 1 tablespoon neem oil. Neem oil is best known for its healing properties, especially for acne-prone skin. It effectively removes the presence of the bacteria that leads to the breakouts. Now add 6 to 7 drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil comes from the leaves of the tea tree plant, which is native to Australia. It has been used for centuries by the indigenous people for its medicinal properties. But what makes it so special for oily skin? Well, tea tree oil has natural antibacterial properties that help combat pesky acne-causing bacteria. It's like having your own little warrior fighting off those unwanted breakouts. Now we will add 3 to 4 drops of lemongrass essential oil. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more great content. Embrace the citrusy freshness of lemongrass essential oil in your skincare routine. Let it uplift your spirits, balance your skin, and bring that radiant glow to your complexion. Who's ready to turn back the clock? Mix together and transfer this magical potion into a dropper bottle, and you're all set. Cleanse your face with a gentle, rejuvenating face wash, and then apply the facial oil in a gentle, circular motion. Use it every night, and if your skin needs some extra love, feel free to rock it during the day too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.